Has washing dirty trash cans ever stopped the smell and nastiness from coming back? It never has. So today I'm going to tell you why this happens and how does BagEZ prevent your waste from stinking them up? Why do bins get dirty and stink up even when we use bags? Everyone confines yucky trash like food waste, dirty diapers, and pet poop, and even household waste in trash bags. But still, our bins end up getting dirty and smell bad. And here's why it happens. When we dump our heavy, loose household trash that have sharp, pointy edges on top of any bag containing anything with yucky waste, the pressure along with objects can cause them to burst, tear, or puncture, which results in icky waste and garbage juice leaking out from the bag. Once out, this waste matter mixes with other trash, while the foul liquid covers them and eventually makes its way to the bottom of the container, where it collects to form a gunky, sticky paste. Now, when the garbage truck lifts and turns the bin upside down, that liquid starts to flow from the bottom towards the opening and coats the walls with it while causing some waste matter to stick to the bin too. This filth is made up of rotting waste and harmful germs that produces the nasty, sick smell that we can't stand. Now, depending on the amount of wet waste and organic matter that's thrown in, it can take anywhere from a few days to a week or more for the bin to get really nasty and start to stink up. But by using BagEZ trash bag holders, you get a long-term solution that helps you keep them clean for less than $1 a month. And it's so freaking easy. You're going to say to yourself, why did you ever waste time washing a bin? Put on any trash bag from 20 to 33 gallons onwards to the frame and hang it in your bin using the raised edges that surround your container. And that's it. Now all you have to do is throw in anything yucky that can coat and cover your bin in filth and make it stink into it, while you use the large opening to dispose of your bagged household waste and clean trash like large boxes. The BagEZ system allows you to use your bin to its maximum capacity, while separating and isolating the nasty stuff that gets loose, makes it stink, and attracts flies, maggots, and animals. Now, if you're worried that your bag may leak or rip and let stuff out, you can always double or even triple bag it for peace of mind, but I recommend using a quality bag from a brand you trust. Now, here's a problem you may come across. If you have a trash can that does not have a raised edge to hang BagEZ from, here's what you do. You have two options. You can attach heavy-duty clips or add a screw on either side of your container to hang the frame from. It's an easy workaround, and both options work perfectly and are an easy fix to start using BagEZ in your bin to keep it clean. One 20-gallon bag has more than enough space to hold a week's worth of dirty diapers, pet and food waste, but if by chance it gets full, replacing it is easy. Simply pull off the clips to free the bag and seal it to lock everything nasty inside before putting on a new one. This method gives your bin 24/7 protection against dirt and grime that creates odors, with a bag that costs only a few cents. The average homeowner using BagEZ with 20-gallon bags keep their bins spotless for under $1 a month. The bin lid sticker reminds you to remove your BagEZ holder before placing your trash can at the curb for the garbage truck, which empties it and leaves behind a clean can with nothing gross stuck inside it. Protecting and keeping your trash cans clean has never been so easy. Elevate your waste management game with BagEZ.